Hey everyone, today I'm diving into something really close to my heart, how to unlock a happier, more fulfilling life. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. Now, why focus on happiness? Well, happy individuals tend to be more successful, healthier, and have better relationships. So, it's not just about feeling good, it's about really enhancing every area of your life. First up, gratitude. Yes, the simple act of acknowledging the good in your life can dramatically shift your mindset. Start or end your day by jotting down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a delicious meal, a warm sunny day, or even a good night's sleep. This habit gradually shifts your focus from what's missing to what's abundant in your life. Next, let's talk about connection. We humans are social creatures, thriving on interaction. Whether it's deep conversations with friends or just sharing a smile with a stranger, these connections fuel our happiness. Make it a point to deepen your relationships. Call a friend you haven't spoken to in a while, or plan a family game night. It's these moments that truly enrich our lives. And don't forget about self-care. This isn't just spa days and indulgences. It's about giving your body and mind what they need. Whether it's exercise, reading a book, or meditating, make sure you carve out time for yourself. Self-care is not selfish. It's essential for a balanced and happy life. Lastly, always keep learning and growing. Challenge yourself to try new things, whether it's learning a musical instrument, picking up a new hobby, or just reading about a topic you know little about. Growth leads to satisfaction, and yes, more happiness. Remember, the journey to happiness isn't about a complete overhaul of your life overnight. It's about making small, manageable changes that add up over time. So, take it one step at a time and watch your life transform. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to living your best, happiest life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it resonated with you. Stay happy, stay inspired.